Hi, welcome here. I am Sandeep Panduranga. In this session, I am going to discuss one of the most important topic in a reasoning, that is setting arrangement. In exam, most of the question, it means 10 to 15 marks of the question will ask by only the setting arrangement problem. So that is the reason I am giving you much importance to this topic. So before going to look at the problem, we should know the introduction part or introductory part relating to the setting arrangement. We have three types of setting arrangement. One is circular arrangement, another one is linear arrangement, and third one is square. Then what do you mean by circular arrangement? What do you mean by linear arrangement? And what do you mean by square table arrangement? Let's discuss one by one. Go first one, circular setting arrangement. So in a circular setting arrangement, we have, this is a circular, it is nothing but all the members are sitting in this circular table. Is it clear? All the members are sitting under this circular table. Then what do you mean by this circular setting arrangement? Let's discuss. We have go with the two words. One is facing the center, another one is facing the outward. In a circular setting arrangement, we have two types. One is facing the center, another one is facing the outside. Then what do you mean by facing the center? Then what do you mean by facing the outside? Let's look at here. This is the one best example. Go with the facing the center. You just imagine all the members are sitting in this circular table. I just put it 8 members here, 7 and 8. See, these are the 8 members are sitting in a circular table. So you look at here, facing the center. Then what do you mean by facing the center? Facing the center, it is nothing but our left and our right. Our left, our right. Entire members, those who are sit in a circular table, they are facing the center. It means that our left and our right direction. So entire the members is concerned only by left, right and up to here, left, right. Is it clear? So facing the center, it is nothing but our left and our right. Next, facing the outside. Facing the outside, it means that all the members are facing the outside of the center. It is not related to this center. All the members, those who are sit in facing the outside. So entire facing the outside, it is nothing but it should be reversed. It should be reversed. It means our right becomes to the left and our left becomes to the right. Look at here. This is our left. Actually, what the person is facing the center. But the person facing the outside, the left becomes the right and the right becomes to the left. Here also the person facing the outside. The person facing the outside, it means our right becomes what? That is left and our left becomes to the right. Again, this should be right and this should be left and up to here only. Is it clear? Facing the center, it is nothing but our left, our right. Facing the outside, it is nothing but our right becomes to the left and our left becomes to the right. And third one, we move for the linear arrangement. So in a linear arrangement, this is a second type of the sitting arrangement. Then what do you mean by linear arrangement? Before going to look at the linear arrangement, we should focus it on the two terminology. One is north, another one is south. What is that? First one is north, second one is south. Then what do you mean by north and what do you mean by south? We will go with the best example. We can easily identify or we can easily understand what do you mean by north and what do you mean by south. Just I write here, you just considered this is as a one row. One row. Here 6 members, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 members are seated in a row. These are the members facing to the north. facing to the north. It is nothing but if the member is facing to the north, again our left becomes to the our left and our right becomes to the our right. Once again I am repeating, if the person facing the north in a linear arrangement, our left becomes to the our left and our right becomes to the our right. Is it clear? Then one more terminology we have to concentrate, that is south. That is south. Then what do you mean by south in the linear arrangement? Again, 6 members are seated in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 members are seated in a row. All the members are facing to the south. It means that south, it should be again reverse. It should be a reverse. It is nothing but left becomes to the right and right becomes to the left. So this is considered as a right and this is considered as left. Again this is considered as right and this is considered as left up to here to here. So is it clear? North direction, it is nothing but our left, our right. South direction, it should be reverse. Left becomes to the right and right becomes to the left. Next, move for the third one, square table arrangement. In most probably PO level examination or RRB level examination, square table arrangement is common. Then what do you mean by square table arrangement? You must focus it here. The 8 members are seated in the square table. This side, it means that this side is considered as a corner side. So this side is considered as a corner side and this one is middle of the side. This one is middle of the side. What do you mean by square? It is nothing but all the 8 members are seated in a square table and 4 of the members sitting in the corner side. First corner, second corner, third corner and fourth corner. And remaining 4 people sit in the middle. 1, second, third and fourth. It is nothing but those who are sitting in a corner side, they are facing the center or facing the outside. Those who sit in the middle, they are facing the center or facing the outside. It depends on the question they will ask in the examination. Suppose I go with the one example. If the person facing the center in the corner side, what will happen? Once again I am repeating, if the person sitting in the corner side, then what will be considered as a facing the center? It is nothing but our left, our right. Is it clear? Those who are person sit in the corner, the person facing the center, it is nothing but our left, our right. Then the person sitting in the middle facing the outside, it is nothing but again it should be reverse. Our left becomes to the right and our right becomes to the left. In most of the banking examination, this sequence max to max they are going to ask. The person sitting the corner side, they are facing the center. The person sitting in the middle side, they are facing the outside. These are the introduction part relating to the sitting arrangement. One is circular, second one is linear, third one is a square table. First, we have to analyze it, what type of question they are asking in the examination. Next, we move for the terminologies relates to the sitting arrangement. Then what do you mean by the terminology? It relates to the sitting arrangement. Let's go with one by one. First, I am going with the person A is sitting. The person A is sitting. Second, to the right of B. What do you mean by that? The person sitting second to the right of B. Then what we will do here? Simple. It is nothing but if we want to know the position of the person A, before we should know the position of B. Once again I am repeating, if we want to know the position of the person A, before we should know the position of B. Why? Because the person A's position entirely depends on the person of the B. You just imagine here, the person B is seated here. Then the person B is facing to the center, It means our left, our right. Then A is sitting second to the right of B. We know the exact position of B is here, and second right, it is nothing but this is first right and this is second right, and the person is A is here. Is it clear? Is it clear? Once again we will move for the next type of, the person B is sitting third to the right of D. The person B is sitting third to the right of D. Look at here, exactly we know the position of B is here. Then simple, you just write D is here, D is here, then D also facing the center, it means our left, our right. Then first right, second right and third right, B is here. Once again I am repeating, B is sitting third to the right of D. I write D here, then D is facing the center, then this is the first right, second right and third right, the B is here. These are the terminologies is used in a sitting arrangement. It is nothing but A is sitting second to the right of B. First we should know the position of B. If know the position of B, we can easily identify the position of A. First right and second right. Then we know the position of B. That position, B is sitting third to the right of D. I write D here. First right, second right and third right B. Is it clear? So these are the terminologies are using in a sitting arrangement. Next we will move for the problem side.